For years, thousands of Indians moved to the US with a simple plan: get a good job, buy a home, purchase a car, build saving, and slowly creating a better future for their families. It was a plan that worked for many people. But today, financial experts say that that plan is becoming difficult. The reason is not just immigration, it's economy. According to the recent reports, continued tension in West Asia have kept global energy markets under pressure. Higher oil prices have contributed to inflation concern, and that has made the job of the US Federal Reserve much more complicated. While policymakers they continue debating the future path of interest rate, economists believe that borrowing costs could remain higher for longer if inflation stays elevated. Now, why should an Indian family in US care about interest rate? Because interest rate affect almost every major financial decision. They influence home loans, car loans, business loan, credit card payment, and even job opportunities. So when borrowing becomes expensive, companies become more careful about spending money. Instead of expanding rapidly, many businesses focus on reducing cost and protecting the profit. Well, that is one reason why tech companies have become far more cautious over past few years. Hiring has slowed, budgets have become tighter, and many companies have announced reconstructing program to control the expenses. Well, for H-1B professionals, this creates a double challenge. One side, higher interest rate makes home ownership more expensive. Monthly mortgage payment become larger. In fact, refinancing existing loans becomes more difficult, and buying a new home becomes a much bigger financial commitment. On the other end, a slower technology sector means job security also becomes more uncertain. If a company announces layoff, many H-1B workers generally have only a limited period of time under current immigration rule to secure another qualifying employer, change their immigration status, or prepare to leave the country. That's why financial planning has become just as important as career planning for many professionals who are working in the US. And perhaps that is the biggest lesson of all of our stories tonight. Whether we spoke about tension in West Asia, the global market, diplomatic developments, India's decision to protect its sailors, the impact of geopolitics on the tech sector, or rising interest rate in the US, every story points towards one reality. In today's world, global events are no longer far away. A conflict in one region, it can influence your monthly expenses.